Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in. If you're looking to make your Notion workspace pop and get more productive, this video is exactly what you need. Today, we're diving into 20 must-know Notion shortcuts, and specifically showing you how to customize your text color with any color you like. By the end of the tutorial, you'll not only breeze through Notion faster, but also know how to personalize your notes with vibrant colors to truly make your workspace your own. All right, let's jump straight in. Imagine you have some text in your Notion page. It could be a header, a to-do item, or just a regular note. The first and possibly easiest way to change the color is to use the little 6-dot icon that appears to the left of your block of text when you hover over it. Go ahead and click on those 6 dots. It's a small step, but it opens up a world of options. From the menu that appears, look for the color option. You'll see a palette of colors you can choose from. Just pick one that fits your mood or helps your note stand out. This is fantastic for highlighting important information or just adding a bit of personality to your workspace. Now, there's a second method that's just as simple, but slightly different. Again, you'll want to click those same 6 dots on the left of your text block. This time, instead of choosing color, click on background color. This will let you change the color behind your text, which is a great way to create sections, group ideas, or make headings pop. Pick a background color you like, and if you want to tweak the text color as well for more contrast, you can go back and adjust the text color. It's a little like painting, layering colors until the look is just right. Don't worry if the interface feels a bit unfamiliar at first. With a couple of tries, you'll be switching colors like a pro. Now, maybe you want even more control, like choosing a color that's not in the default palette. Notion allows you to go even further, and here's how you do it. Simply type, for example, plush color/red demo test 6 right into your text block. It looks a little like code, but don't let that scare you off. Next, highlight that text, and from the options that appear, select Mark as Equation. Once you've done that, hit Done, and you'll see your text appear in the exact color you specified, in this case, red. This method is perfect if you want custom colors, maybe for branding or just to satisfy your inner designer. There's a bit of magic in turning text into equations for color, and it gives you even more creative control. If any of these steps feel tricky, don't worry. Sometimes finding the right menu in Notion takes a bit of practice. Think of it like learning to use shortcuts in any creative tool. A little patience goes a long way, and soon it'll feel second nature. Experiment with different color combinations and see what works for your workflow. Maybe you'll use color coding for project statuses, or just to make your workspace feel more inviting. And there you have it. 3 easy ways to customize text color in Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's a Notion trick you want to learn next. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tips and tutorials to take your productivity to the next level. Thanks for watching and happy Notioning.